Stress is killing us, literally. In fact, stress is now recognized as one of the 4 fundamental causes of all disease and disability. But there's hope. A special group of herbs called adaptogens naturally protect the body from stress and bring it back into balance. 50 years of medical research and scientific study have shown that adaptogens are effective at helping counter and prevent the damaging effects of age and stress on the body. They are proven to increase physical and mental capacity, reduce fatigue, improve resistance to diseases, and extend lifespan. And not only do they help our bodies cope with stress and the strains of daily life, but they are also high in antioxidants, which protect your cells against the destructive impact of free radicals. EPX Body Restore contains a powerful blend of adaptogenic herbs as well as other beneficial ingredients such as aloe, sea minerals, and zeolites. Within minutes of taking our synergistic, all-natural formula, it begins to strengthen the body and increase general resistance to daily stress. Whether it's from pollutants in our environment or the foods we eat, due to aging, a sedentary lifestyle, or physical injury, or caused by pressures from work or everyday life, combat the damaging effects of stress and restore balance to your body simply by using EPX Body Restore every day. And you too can start experiencing true wellness.